When you are Ghana for me church obi biara ohwemie me gidi se obo ade adom enti obia eye okay ya satana se ye ba ba suande kakra ye chene se ye papa osafo mafo ayi nyina ye nimu no Ghana ha any Julius Malema ono so ye papa is also our father because oye nipa tuntum abede de nyina yeso omo be keka nsem bia e wo se nukwesem bia wo mu bia e fa ye kasa ho no ye ba be kyerɛ mo ase na se de ya de bia ka kyerɛ mo se ye hia kasa at this moment no na mo so madwene ho mo ne ya adwene na sabre we have to share some of these things what I said so that they know now that we are talking about our recognition, so they will know now that we are talking about our identity. What I say eno ne ye abede eno ne control ewiase ene ye mother tongue eno ka na ye ma meditite yen obo ade no obo abrofo no ye no kasa ono eka no eno de to yeso. So we are very powerful entina ye 9 in your creation who be new your creation is 9 entina dunia code organic number as 9. What I say ena wa code on organic number as 7. What did I mention? I say, and the time I say, God finished creation in 7 days. Only creation is in 7 days. See, some person can be tremble. No one say we know what we are saying. Into yes, you have what I say, and today is the moment I say, we know what we are saying. We know what we are doing. Ghanaians, blacks now, we know what we are doing. We know our problem. You need the here, so kasa. Into some proofs, not evidence. Proofs, also proofs, Casaboni, PROOFS. What I say, you be mom proofs, a natural, and Untina Casaboni Bianade, and Nemuno, and your evidence, vein them, hide them, see them, and no, and not throw them. We a proofs, proven and your vein, and a metramo, PROOFS. What I say, and until you have a course of more Faber say, Ghana for say, corruption will end if Ghanaians change their mindsets and attitudes. Corruption will end if Ghanaians change their mindsets and any leaders if Ghanaians. Me see ayenti na mo fasika emebie nwuma mayen me ka kire mo wonti ase ayenti ya yese abodie o mebie nwuma mayen ye binye sika every weekend mo ye be se abodie so ye be hwe what attitude means. What corruption means, and this time one can say if my co-leaders, if our leaders change their mindset and attitudes, but or say if Ghanaians. So we are coming to see what attitudes means and what corruption also means. What I say, in Chebabi Sunyadie, now so when you are adwene ho bi. What I say, Browning Casa corruption, a child about co-eruption. What I say, if they say something has erupted, what I say, you just have to understand what eruption means. Set the BD force, a pigeon and as a explode, a eruption. Anyway, or see, no on a colleague, company, and to mostly who a company one, you did things, you get some money to explode. What I say, corruption, you want to do something. Some substantial amount of money should pass through your hands that will make your life explode. What I say, in the case of I was saying, I say, Entina Burinia corruption, man. What I say, Entimicatron paper say, most of the entire penny for MISicano, because Yan Casaso, yes, body, and to be your Bonia, Bonnie will not go back. What I say, they believe you are spirits within, and I'm going to say, with sometimes they don't know. Could do office could do salary now they know how to fulfill the word now katram wahano. What I say internet see who can say so could change me tram. What I say, so we are here for you and to take in a okay now for say a benefit wa Uber should not be I then also benefit because we know why we are here. If we don't have the solution, we will not be sitting here. Mini special abede bia no ba be kan wasem o abede na o kana your mother tongue kono me ma connecting my ministry. What I say ma connect your body straight ma connecting ma me watana mu de mu se onyo no bo mu ba asase so no enso ma mu sori ya mu slit na ya na mu design na ya mu ye no mu nya sa concept no we shape na ya mpesa mo fa no munya sa concept no wa he. What you say? That's the only creature that you look like her. What you say? Into no ball, no mass as a coin, and as a bed. What you say? Into baby sunya kase bia broni afa so ada dan e disconnecting every sa or board into this time we are all coming to connect ourselves. What you say? We connecting to shape no mean so en Kenya no. And corruption is co-eruption. Colleague a happy company into co-eruption is what you say. And also attitude. We have to change our attitude. Take us attitude, no said the and we cast a mindset, and so I would hold on with the attitude. No, also mindset. Yes, set the time. Put the time at equal time. Factor said the net here. What you say? And ya dream the basa season, there was a resetting. But before we can reset that adrenaline and the basa season, it was a gem with Janamuye, a say gem one kunkumo. Omonya bonibia they are special almost so bomaya omonya ya bosom for what you say entina before we nipa wo beba asase no ya mo ejina mo bi so obe jina mo bi wo nchen because you stand tall you cannot see under the tables only the cat can see under the tables so that the mouse bi wo hotete wa the cat no ma ejina mo obetime jina sa aboa no entina bonisi cat oba no wa cat no nti also sign it na so ye chichi sa mo na because obo dey say medium so dey Bedroom so because a human over Yamano. I was someone if you need ye. I was so son, maybe Google baby man, no one that them, until in a man most often or money or demon. What I say, into also sorrow himself and I said, Kojan and I knock her. Ness also son and young man, oh, didn't so, oh, Shannon, and so baby Ali crab, we are considered baby manner, or Nagasato, they do not cotton so. Sabbath pepper, any morning in a more observing one, when moon day. Ghana for your noon day. And I have a post from Ekasatran. Yes, it's your attitude. So attitude is at its use. What you say, take us alone. Attitude at its use. At what use? ATT at. And said I will try at 80 na. 80 wa UT UDE wa You need a below no or solo your Bakusana from say you way and trot. You and your sanity, you not training and trade, yes, sir. What you say, and I deny my dominance. What you say, and I deny my it. But in an actual fact, that word is telling you about at its use, so that you can think again and ask yourself at what use. What you say, in Juba, there are some protocols on the land. And they are one, and no sarcasm, they are xenophobic, before no. In place of war, what I say, because I'm always a war, I am shared by yourself into some fully in a different way, into your pair castle trap, into casa at its use. It is telling you about how to use the creatures around the protocols we met on the earth, side at its use, attitude. It is telling you to know how to use them. What I say, for example, body way. Most of you trap body and so ye body free suya. Near the second jam body no body and out from. And when she said, a baby as swam with your near never saw trying to form an mammy be away, no so mammy no we don't use you sabi yadren and find you soon your assassin so until you catch us we should change our attitudes at it use. I was a body and I'm more than who don't know to see what's until set on Nankasa. Obebre na ne tamaso na wabofom endo otofom wi a ebia na wakroso otofom owa enti otofom yebuni se ebia na wakroso kwam enti endo betimi ayede eyi ne firi ho but enye se body na mo adwane wie no na fe wotwane mu na wate afi wahwefom what I say so at its use let's change our attitudes before we can do that let's reset the mind yenja mojanam ne wie eden na diesel engine oil, eco good petrol car engine, emani what I say, until before you can understand what I'm saying, what I'm telling you, this is what what I say, until Cassan also and a map also say, and I debut your baby. What I say, and I ever Julius, my lemon super car Cindy. Mamisha and Mamisha said to me that Tremansa. Your partner now for so I didn't come into public life to enrich myself. What I say, he didn't come into Neman obeying in our muscle obey rich. That is what he came for. What I say nothing about can natural. So he's telling you he came for all those things that is happening. Almost for the president, you know, with 72 years. 7 plus 2 bema 9. Oh yeah, BB need to 7 you know. The organic number 9. He was qualified. It told himself or the 2019 a year 3 on degree. What I say? And the ancient kakra, many Ghana for. Julius Malema a speech he said we need a borderless continent. We need one currency, one parliament, one president that can unite continent. We need a United States of Africa. We need one Africa. That is what Malema is saying. Malema abede danoso or you be need to say me no. What I say? Yes, maybe catch maybe say Papa yes have a catcher say yes dissolve borders in me see a time will come you don't have to be restricted. You need free movement. Omuko kuhunu kuri bi omuti me country because omu catch mo you be see omu so. What I say yanko Johnny omu ye ni baby emunti ye no kura ye mu catch mu nyina no they cannot come to us. What I say we need a border because insanely basis here. What I say was say obi free movement. What I say continent. What I say condemn. What I say con be the how ente ya na brofo no da idea fa san entertain na mu no. What I say mto say kasa na ya ejitumu no ekoti ayin. What I say mu he da brofo eye bibifo. What I say we need one currency. E trosi ente the currency di. Currency ya so na mo de dada ye panyimfo e no ntimi nkenka no krankyere yin. Currency na na no mo de dada ya ye yutifo ni bi e no mo de mo no kresie yin. Ubo so chine bi no akogina bi kase una na bi ameken bi ama una na no ne hwan e na woji bribe na wotete ummaso bribe ji mu because school na mo ko ni kasa na mo kan school mo nyina no slavery. They also come and fulfill corruption, but if you don't write corruption who abed any sin what I say and e won to mapa o mo tro to maso na brofo no fire yen so esan say ye organic number ye na ye powerful nti ye na kan ma me kasa enti uka kasa pa o ma be ka de o mu ni atrew o ma be trew de yako what I say sa kasa ni na no ba be kan wasem e yo abed e ba be suan wade enu tina no wonderful so e switch free English e ko fa Swahili e no so mo tawo mo what I say enti Rwanda citizens is here no more credit card and ID cards. What I say because they write their own culture. Sorry, homophobic culture. I want to na bed and dom so some come try bed. What I say, but hunu abede a spiritual. Yakoka children says are in spiritual. Untimi for Gino. What I say, until also Koburu Kasa. What I say, and all they have to do is tax be beko almost Swahili for at the end of every year and so much tax Swahili because what Jina Kasa now this is woman sanity. But Ghana, we are blessed. Yeshirayen, Yawanyan. What I say, we can do things which Facebook can then call before Ghana for. So we have the privilege now. We have the authority now to have our own identity. I am Koboro Biadi. What I say, in the currency now, you have a printing Malema Ekano. On whose identities, language, ben, ebedina, so our printings are currency. No, we still use the ABCD on the currency. It is we cannot still manage our own affairs until we have our own identities. Our habit, then we cannot manage our own affairs. Ghana yekoboro bikasa enye me na me katrem it will not work. What I say because we have ours. We have the just ye connection na de benya ye de. What I say obo ade adom afina bedru enti ye mu besua ho ade e wo board so. Me atrew se de wo a na tie di enti etesa. U ba be hu echi no nya se u ba be hu echi se de bre wo keke. You have to test it because ye Ghana for no ye ancestors and na yakoma ye din me tie me nyinya madio. Na kuma dem krase wa wo hwani what I say enu tina si ma me hu ye no internet ti ase no what I say entenu na be ba be suan wade enti one parliament what I say o unity ye nyina ye one ye abode one president sana person treo we can still maintain all the presidents dissolve all the borders. What I say we have one parliament where all the presidents will come and meet as parliamentarians. What I say at the end of every year now, some months, we don't go show as parliamentarians and they maintain all the presidents. That is all. What I say, then we go back to our foundation. And here, what I say, we need a United States of Africa. True. Wakasabat. And also my who say identity in media. We cannot do that without identity. What I say, Julius Malema speech obefa
Yes,
unity ho any xenophobia and xenophobic ho na yetiemu nsam kakra na yesunu ade enti enhwa de wa.
Julius Malema has called for unity. He was speaking at his party's Western Cape Manifesto launch in Cape Town yesterday.
Stop your self-hatred. Stop attacking our brothers from Africa, our sisters from Africa. We are one thing. You say batata umsebenzi. Even if we expel them tomorrow, you will still not get a job. There are no jobs in South Africa because whites are refusing to invest money.
I say whites are refusing to invest money. Enkaya ye tro I don't nka wo abrofo mu fasika enko sa na okan wo adna mu ba invest sika ewo ho nanka edwuma ewo ho according to Julius Malema no de okan no omu di sika ne ba yisi yesa nyema ne ma South Africa fo no munim se omu ye enuanom so ayete ha na ya ayekọ ho no ye de bese abodie yibenye sika firi wa sende unse wo sende sika firi abrocha ba Ghana na Africa won se restrictions e da ho omu monitor all because of abodi say you omu nyana nka sika no so nyina nka ebi ne nam Ghana nka wonso wo ye YouTube bia ope bia benye bi na so sika no ye mo no ye de bese abodi ye ni recognition ye ni identities ye ni connection bi a kire say we have to save the animals ye ni bibi a kire say wo nam kwa no hia ponche say we pra tam no to kem fa no ko yaresa bia ye nim sa anima no ye nim se krama kra twa koma ye ginama no ye nim. What you say, ye baby suya kasa bi better or sani money nyina na so hu se kasa bi o muka o mu nyamu ntimi kan no krabi nkyeremo but mo se ne mo ne du ba bi no mo so asa aburo mo so do o mu ka mo no bo se na aburo mo so enti so mo so ba atom be keke bi na fi asa o mu ka bi atro mo saa bi what you say bakasa bi say atia say yi den cho mo mai be se no mo fasika ne mre e me kan yensa as citizens na ana yen Ghana fo no because yen Ghana fo na nkasa yes abodie. So what I say?
In South Africa, they've got too many savings in the bank. They've got trillions.
They've got trillions. They've got trillions in the bank.
Out and build industries. There is no Nigerian who stole an industry and hired Nigerians only. There is no Zimbabwean who's got a farm in Knysna or Stellenbosch who hired Zimbabweans. It is your white people who hire Zimbabweans, pay them low so that you can fight amongst yourself.
So what I say, omuno mutresika no, omuno mu control kasa no. What I say, ento mutresika no mama won sabi ye mpanyifo omo Ghana mo sabi said sometimes no oman kasa no they fight among themselves. Julius Malema kasa. What I say, our leaders are fighting among themselves. Yen sorry leaders nyina ye can leaders and anya politicians nkwa and sorry for nyina ye saade no Ghana ha. What I say, politicians nyina ye bi what I say, they na me train say omo no mutwe sika no. What I say, abrofo na netwe sika no ento mu kasa no mudi gu sika no so ento mu twe sika no sana na e wo se omudi control yen leaders no asofo nyina leaders. What I say, footballers what say enti se sika no omutwa de my leaders na omo so e de kon omo ho ntokwa. So we are fighting among ourselves. What I say, you when you now leaders and ho. What I say, you now we wo enti nyo bi na ba be ka kire o said you can no lucrose me wo mu nie. What I say,
as Africans, see them for what they are. Bias Luis and Amabanto, they are causing divisions amongst Africa. Don't glorify these borders. Uti, hey, there is Zimbabwe, there is Nigeria. These borders were never here.
Emrebina me tremo se na ebibima nyina ye baako ye ni Beni ye ni Togo ye ni sa ne nyina no nyina no yakafo ene mu ho mu nyina no nyina mo yakafo. What I say nti ene na broni ba hie sa borders nyina no borders no won se odu ha na omo odawo Ukohin, you say, Brassy, orders or a balance order. For them, no, or match into a balance orders and no my. What I say?
Orders were imposed on us by white people who wanted to divide Africa and do what they wanted to do with this continent of Africa. I am ashamed today to call myself a South African. The image that are coming out of Durban made me to be ashamed. You are beating blacks. You are slaughtering African.
Most of you can say you was slaughtering. Ghana how bahana to slaughter. Then a boat trim. Ghana haya jig baby at me a friend slaughterhouse. What I say, Abrafon Sabin in Amaha. What I say, Moon, Samu, simple. Enjoy Namu to say on Namu, unim observations or ye. Ebi Grana Donald Trump, Nene Castle phone Subatunim, and on Namu or Catreno. So about slaughterhouse. What I say, integrating for Shekasana, most of us are now xenophobia, and a mobia is xenophobic, and a view of the F natural. What I say, anti UK for Shekasana, I was say US only a physical, and also omu finishing. What I say, Sabe Pepe on person which ray. Anti Casa Slaughter or Mokan 7, a before into Mokan Sakasa Slaughter. What I say, emu use Sakasano way so. They slaughter us. Second in because of the AM1, a casa xenophobia, a say no to phobia, any about be say no to it. A see a creation, internet xenophobic. No. What I say, PH matra said that, but mean Kaimubium. PH on a protocol, we host a homestay. And we trust I know host, ama what I say, no, say, we say, and ex, and another, you enjoy what I say, Mokasachare, say no to phobia.
I've seen you doing that to a Chinese. I've never seen you doing that to a white person who doesn't have papers. I've never seen you do that to an Indian without papers. But once they say it's an African, because you hate yourself, because white people taught you to hate yourself, you kill other Africans. Stop that nonsense. It ends today. We must unite as Africans.
Pacho material kind. I say, our moon who say, Omodisa eye Chinese. Moon who somebody say Indians. Moon who somebody say any white people. It is not because of anything. They have recognition.